Hi everyone, I just wanted to share a strategy with you that's working really well in foreign exchange. I know there's a lot of other type of videos out there that talk about strategies and how to use them to profit in the markets, and this is just one of those videos that you'll find works really easily. So what I've done is, this is just basically my account history on my MT4 platform, so they're all live results. And I've just, if you don't know how to do this, you can actually click on any of your closed trades and then actually just put them over to the graph. So you click on the closed trade, you drag it over to the graph, and it'll actually plot what happened for the trade for you. So this is what I've done just to, I guess, show you the kind of live results I'm getting and how you guys can follow a really, really easy strategy. So here they're all plotted out for you. You can see my account history here. These are all closed off trades. Now, I've gone in with a really small lot size just to, I guess, test this strategy to make sure it works well, and obviously it does. You're looking at 12 wins from 12 trades at 100%. Total pips in 9 days is 510 pips. So I'll be upping this to standard lots, so one standard lot at $10 per pip, which would have been $5,100 profit in 9 days. So that's that's good. And I just wanted to go through, you can see here, every single trade that I've plotted has been, obviously I've got the ticks to say yes, it was successful, and then the pips, so how many pips were made in the trade. You can see here some really good profitable trades, 80 pips, another one here, really good trade for 201 pips, 60 pips, 64, 67, another one up here, 20 pips that goes too far outside the chart. But this was all done in 9 days, and like I said, 12 from 12, so it's 100% success rate. And I just want to share with you how you can actually trade like this and how you can profit, because it's an investment opportunity at the end of the day, and we're all here to make money from it. The reason why I'm showing you this is I've been trying to trade for a long time now with no success, and this is the only strategy that's really works well for me. And obviously the results are there, and you can see those. So what we'll do, I'll just quickly show you. This is the platform I'm using. There were a few small losses before those 12 from 12 there. But this is kind of the live results you see here. And it's through this website that you're going to link up to the strategies. Now this website, and there's a link in the description, that basically if you click on that link, it will take you straight here. You can open up a demo account, and you can actually see if this works for you, and you'll see the same type of results. But it's a fully automated system here where you're actually not trading yourself. You're going to follow other people who have these professional traders who have these strategies that work. So instead of actually sitting in front of the computer and putting hard work into trading, you can have this fully automated so that when you go to sleep at night, it's 24 hours a day, they're trading on your behalf. It's free to use. And like I said, it's an investment opportunity for guys who want to be involved, who have been trying to trade before but no luck. They could be beginner traders who want to get involved, or whatever the case may be. You can start with as little or as much as you like. But if you click on traders here, it'll show you the performance table. And what they do on this website is they rank them from number 1 all the way down. So I'm just following the top guy at the moment. And you can see here a bit about him. So you can see his performance chart. He's made 9,600 pips in the last 20 weeks, which is phenomenal. So he's obviously a professional trader who knows what he's doing. He's made 878 trades, so it's not a fluke. He's made enough trades for you to know that he's well established and a good trader. His average pips per trade is 11, so he profits 11 pips per trade. And his success rate is 81%. So obviously he's got a very good success rate with a strategy that's working well. And he's conservative. His maximum drawdown is only 9%. So you don't have to, worry that he's overly he's over trading, or maximum drawdown is in the 20s or 30s, which may be a little bit more riskier than 9% obviously. And then the average trade time is only 13 hours. So he's in and out, which means it's good for you. You're liquid. If you need to withdraw funds, you can. This is a good idea to make passive income from this guy. Like I said, 510 pips in 9 days could have been a dollar a pip, could have been $510 passive income, or whatever you like. So he has $10 million worth of live money following him. And for beginner traders out there that don't know a lot about this stuff, you can allocate how much a pip means to you. So if you don't have to be searching on here for strategies that work, so you have to manually trade. All you want to do is profit in the markets like everyone else, and this is just one way to do that. So what we can do is, if you click on his name, any of these guys here, it will open up their profile, and you can see here that New Wave's profile goes into a little bit more detail, so you can see the performance strategy here. Their performance chart. Now, a lot of what we spoke about before, so you can see their pips, basically everything you want to see: winning, success rate, obviously what other users or live users are actually rating these guys. So yes, they're making money for me. Yes, I'm happy with them. And again, you might see some top traders with only 1 star, but you can't please everyone. They might have got on when the trader actually had a few losses in a row. Now, this is really important over here. The necessary minimum equity actually means how much you need in your account to follow this trader at 10 cents per pip, which is good to know, because you only need $221 to follow this guy at 10 cents per pip. Now, in nine days, he made $51 at 10 cents per pip. So he's returned almost 25% in 9 days. So it's a bit of a no-brainer. And here on the left-hand side, you can see all the live followers who have made money from this guy and how much they've made. So this guy here has made $94,000 from this trader, which is massive amounts. And I'm guessing that this guy he may be a trader himself. This guy that's made 94 grand, he might be a beginner trader who's fed up with all the different strategies that aren't working, so he's just purely invested in this guy and he's made 94 grand. So a lot of these guys are getting involved, and without having to do the work and making your money work harder for you, it's a pretty good idea. And if you really want to break it down, you can go to the performance tab as well, and that will show you every single month how much this guy's actually profited. So if we go back to January, you can see that he made 244 pips, which is fantastic, but also looking at it, that's not great compared to what he can do. So 244 pips is really, really good. Everyone would be happy with that. I would have been happy with that when I was trying to trade myself. But 2,169 is something that you can expect from one of these traders. So again, if you've got $1 per pip on there, that's $2,169 profit, passive income, whatever you want from your investment opportunities, and this is one of those. The next month, 1,500. The next month, 1,600. Then 2,700, and we're not finished June yet. He's up 1,200. So these are the type of results you can expect to get from these guys. And again, you can follow any one of them by looking at their performance records. And let's face it, someone who's trading at 84% and making 7,600 pips in 14 weeks is worth following. He's probably trading a lot better than you and I. I can admit that, because I couldn't find anything that worked. So yeah, thought I'd share that with you. Like I said, you can click on the link and open up a demo. It's free to use, and this whole service is free to use as well. So yeah, click on the demo, click on the link, open up a demo, try it, see what you think. Obviously, you should see some good profits from it, and yeah, happy trading.